Hello. This recording is to provide a demonstration on the use of a campus advanced technology classroom, also known as a smart classroom. The function of an advanced technology classroom is to project multimedia through a ceiling-mounted video data projector onto a projection surface, typically at the front of the room. It's simply a projection screen. The next component of the Advanced Technology Classroom is the instructor workstation cabinet. The input devices to the projector are located in that cabinet. The cabinet is secured and locked by the Learning Resources Center. If you provide a reservation form to us, we will unlock it before your class so that you can have access to the cabinet. On the top of the cabinet is the computer screen. There is a workstation control panel that turns the computer on and switches between sources and adjusts the room volume. Within this drawer can be found the keyboard and typically the mouse. The mouse happens to be on the workstation surface, but the mouse and keyboard are typically in this workstation drawer. To open the drawer, turn the knob clockwise to the right, and there's your keyboard. And this part of the drawer folds down for ergonomic use of the mouse. Beneath the cabinet is another cabinet door that houses the room computer. To save time in this recording, I have the computer powered up. You can tell that it's powered up by the LED being on. The power switch is located right here, just above the USB ports and the audio headphone ports. The computer has a CD-ROM and also a floppy disk drive. Over on this side of the cabinet, this is the switching system, an Extron switcher. Power to the cabinet is supplied through this power supply. This is the master on and off button. In the on position, it is illuminated. When it's off, it's not illuminated. It's a simple toggle switch. If it's not illuminated, you don't have any cabinet power. Here is a VHS DVD combo unit for playback of a video cassette or a DVD. There is also a drawer on the side of the cabinet that contains a document camera. If the drawer is latched, it won't open. Turning the latch will release it, and there is the document camera. The document camera has a release on the arm, which is here. The arm extends. Make sure it's extended fully. Position the head of the document camera so that it's facing down to the document camera's surface. There are lights on either side that fold out and then flip. There's one on the other side, same way. It folds out and flips up. The power to the document camera is this switch here. If the LED is red, the power is off. If the LED is green, the power is on. It takes the document camera a moment to boot up, and the lights should illuminate. They did. You can see the lights are illuminated now. And now I'm going to power up the projector. I press the projector button to the on position. The projector made an audible tone, and you should begin to see illumination through the lens, which we are seeing. And you'll begin to see a display on the screen. This is normal. It's warming up, and it's going to display the Note Vision logo right there. And as we're waiting, I will also point out that the image computer will need to be logged on to in order to display. You can use the internet in these rooms. You can use Microsoft Office, Mozilla Firefox. There's a number of applications on the computer image. Further on the control panel are the input devices buttons. It's currently configured to the PC, the personal computer. There's document camera, VCR, DVD, and using these connections you could also put a laptop computer into the system. The volume control is here. Adjusting it up and down. The level is represented by the LEDs. The audio to the room is fed through ceiling-mounted speakers. There are 4 of them in the room. And now that the projector has booted up, I'm going to show you that the desktop of the computer is now displaying on the screen. After you log on, then you can have access to all of the programs. I'm now going to show you how to switch to another device. We will switch to the document camera, which I go to the control panel, select document camera, depress it deliberately, and it switches. And it takes a moment, but now the output of the document camera is displaying on the projection screen. You can use a document, you can write on a piece of paper, you can put something on dimension, with dimension, such as the lens cap for the Samsung, and project it onto this screen. I'm going to conclude with that. I'm going to show you that when you are done using the room, a good operational procedure is to shut the projector off. It's in the on position. I'm going to press the off button. I need to do it again. It didn't quite switch. There we go. And now the projector has shut off. You no longer see any illumination coming out of the lens, and the projection screen is no longer displaying. That concludes this demonstration. It should be available to watch on the internet, and I thank you for your kind time and attention.